I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by establishing a baseline. Run a ping and trace route to your game server for 1 to 5 minutes so you know where spikes appear. Once done, switch to Ethernet if on Wi-Fi, and set your PC or console to high-performance power mode. Make sure background apps like Cloud Sync, downloads, and streaming are closed. Update the network adapter driver. These steps reveal whether the problem is local hardware, the home network, or the ISP. Now you dig into the connection path, reboot modem and router, swap Ethernet cables, and try a different LAN port to rule out faulty hardware. Then configure quality of service on the router to prioritize your gaming device or the specific UDP ports the game uses. This reduces contention. If latency persists, change DNS to a faster resolver and enable NIC hardware offloading. For advanced diagnosis, capture packets to identify retransmits and jitter, which point to congestion versus routing issues. Finish by isolating the ISP. Connect your game device directly to the modem and retest. If spikes continue, gather logs and contact your ISP. If routing is the cause, try a gaming-optimized VPN briefly. Only keep it if it reduces hops and stabilizes ping. Once fixed, validate by achieving consistent averages below your target, for example under 50 ms with low jitter. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.